and we are leaving the country because we have to go back to work from tomorrow. Imran has work, I also have the work. It was so nice being here and celebrating the birthday itself, and I think मुझे लगता है यहाँ पे और ज़्यादा time चाहिए to get explore more places because यहाँ पे भी बहुत सारे spots हैं which you can explore. And the second factor is I think it's winter, that's why we were not able to go outdoor places. So I think summers is a good option to come again to Buffalo and explore more. And before we get late, we have to check out from the hotel. We haven't yet done the breakfast. We skipped it because I know because of me. Because I am not a breakfast person. I prefer sleep over breakfast. So anyway, let's just go. We have already packed the stuff, but in case we don't miss anything, Imran is just checking out the final thing. So see you, bye.
Someone's gotta change.
You want Paradas. You want if you never Paradas.
Someone's gotta change.
Guys, I don't know why they don't have Dunkin' Donuts in Canada. This is so amazing cappuccino. I just loved it. Imran, what about yours? How is your one?
Mine is some signature. I don't know what's the name.
But mine is awesome.
But this is good.
This is also good. I don't know. Please have a branch in Canada as well.
Paradas.
So just a quick thing. In Buffalo, the parking is a big task. आपको जल्दी से parking नहीं मिलती है. अगर कोई parking मिल भी रही है, even if you are paying for it, but still it's not safe. And there is a board, big board written at the parking spot that park at your own risk. Yes, so यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चोरी and all that होती है for the cars. Cars get stolen in the daylights. I don't know why is it so. It seemed like New York City. I think US में these things are very common because I have seen in a couple of videos as well. You have to be safe with your bags, with your luggage and all the stuff. Anyway, so we got the parking finally at the stadium. There's some kind of stadium. I'm not sure. Imran, ये कौन सा stadium होगा?
I don't know. This is a baseball.
Baseball stadium. Oh, there's a baseball stadium in front of me. It's completely empty. It's not that big, huge.
Because there is no matches, right?
Yeah, it's not that big, huge stadium, but एक quite छोटा सा stadium है. Let me show you from the back camera. So there is that stadium in front of me. I'm not sure what kind of stadium is it. It's a baseball. Oh, over there, Imran. Shalene Field, something
Shalene
like
Field.
that. I'm not sure. So this is the stadium.
That's the track. यहाँ पे खेलता है.
I know, yeah. So this is the stadium. इमरान, ऐसी शिप नहीं लग रही है जैसे वो बिल्कुल मिसाइल्स निकलने वाली है. Oh God, just look at those two things.
That's the army ship.
ऐसे लग रहा है कि बिल्कुल it's about to get launched. है ना ऐसे जो दो ऐसे है. What is that?
I'm not
It's a
sure
ship?
I'm not
Yeah,
sure.
I think it's a powerhouse. I have read somewhere वहाँ पे लिखा था it's a powerhouse.
No idea.
I'm not sure. I think this place might be very happening in summers
True.
because it looks like a waterfront, a canal thing. But I think due to the winter times, it's looking little low. And we are coming on a Tuesday. Everyone is working, so what can we expect? So right now it's super duper chilled, and we are just walking on the Buffalo streets. Despite हमें इतनी ज़्यादा ठंड लग रही है. I am so much.
Looks
What
like
kind
a
of building?
GTA Vice City.
ये building?
I think so.
This one?
Yeah.
तो ये building क्या है?
I don't know. There's a game GTA Vice City. उसमें ऐसी buildings होती है.
Seriously? This building looks so dirty.
Same thing. GTA Vice City.
Okay.
There's a game, right?
मैंने भी वो game खेली है GTA City.
GTA Vice
Oh, this
City.
is a museum.
I think.
Buffalo Museum. Can you imagine? Oh God. Anyway, I'm not interested for a museum right now because I feel it's very boring. For me, it's too boring to get into a museum on a birthday that too. Okay, so there's a church. it's a very famous church in Buffalo, the one over there, and it's called as the St. Paul's Church. Can we go inside?
This is closed.
Guys, just look at those two towers. Can you see the Statue of Liberty on the right and the left top, जो इनके बिल्कुल top है building के towers के? Okay, so this is the office tower. It's a 23 tower building and it has the same replica of Statue of Liberty. एक right में और एक left में भी. So it is kind of I don't know, it's something gratitude for someone who has built it. I don't know, I have to go back to the entire history, but this is a very famous spot here in the middle of downtown Buffalo, where you have the office tower with the I'll zoom it, wait. So that is the Statue of Liberty.
Actual one is in city, right?
Yeah, actual one is obviously in the New York City, but this is what we can expect in Buffalo.
Don't pretend you're sorry, even if you're crying. You know how to make me worry. I can tell
So
you.
finally guys, it's time to say bye-bye to this beautiful Buffalo city. It was so nice for having us for 2 days and 1 night, although बहुत ही कम time था, but we enjoyed a lot. It was raining, that's the main thing, and it's raining abhi bhi. It's okay, we enjoyed, we had a good time. Sometimes you should have a good time rather than roaming outdoors. So we had a very fun time, and let's go back to Canada. We are about to Iman reach or no?
You have to go just cross the bridge first.
Oh yeah, we are
Same
about
immigration check.
yeah, it's the same immigration check going to happen at the US and Canada border, but I believe this time it's gonna be very quick. हमने अपनी सारी जितनी भी shopping receipts है, we have kept them safe because they can ask. There is a limit of $200 per person or
Per
per
person.
couple.
$200 CAD per person. Not USD.
Oh, okay. So $200 CAD per person is the limit for the shopping. So we have kept all the receipts and everything in case they'll ask how many shopping and everything you have done. So let's do the immigration and let's see you after 15 minutes. Don't know how much time it's gonna take for the immigration. So we are about to reach the border from the US side, and let's see you in Canada now.
Don't pretend you're sorry, even if you're crying. You know how to make me worry. I can tell you're
So
lying.
we have finally reached the border. That's the Canada, and we are in the US right now.
This
And
part is
we are
US, yeah. So see, that's the
yeah, that's Canada. And अभी ये तीन ही क्यों खुले हैं, बाकी सारे क्लोज क्यों हैं?
It depends, like traffic, like unreceived traffic.
Oh my god. So yeah, we are just 3 cars away to get
So one
out.
thing I noticed, see, this is open,
हाँ.
and they're written in French.
Overt. So open को French में overt बोलते हैं. So we are just 3 cars away, and I think इमरान तुम्हें right वाली lane में लगानी थी, वो ज़्यादा fast है. It's one and the same thing. We will reach Canada after 3 cars, and that's the bridge, the whole bridge that's visible
You see the
from
mist?
falls. Yeah, mist, and it's raining. I don't know why. हमारी सारी trip में it was raining like hell. Just a quick thing. I'm again nervous.
For what?
I don't know. I know हमने already cross कर चुके हैं, हम मतलब पहली बारी नहीं है, but I don't know, I'm again nervous.
They just immigration check. Supernova.
I don't know.
Let's see.
Although मतलब ये पूरा ऐसे
But yeah, this is the first time we're doing. That's why.
we are going back for the first time.
Like via road.
मतलब हम आए भी first time, जा भी Canada first time ही रहे हैं from
Via
US.
road.
So via road, yeah.
Because always it's
The car that is in front of us right now, it's taking 500 years. I don't know ऐसा क्या check कर रहे होंगे उसका.
questioning
बहुत
and
शॉपिंग
answering.
किया होगा उसने, फिर कुछ
No
भी हो
idea.
सकता है.
I don't
So
know.
it's just one car that's in front of us, and then it's our turn with the immigration officer. And एक तो immigration officers, like you know, they are so strict. Their personality is like that. Even they are not saying
Because they are
anything.
highly trained.
And they are not saying you anything. वो कुछ भी नहीं कह रहे, but उनकी personality, उनका facial expression ही ऐसा है. मैं तो डर ही जाती हूँ. I don't know why. Although they are not saying anything, they are like you know doing their job. But the way they are like you know chosen characters, they are like that. They are in their
But
character.
that is why they highly trained.
They,
just
वो
to-
वो घर पे भी ऐसे ही रहते होंगे. They are in their character. They have
No
to
idea.
fake out स्ट्रिक्ट ऑब्वियसली घर पे जाके फिर थोड़ा रिलैक्स होते होंगे
चलो लेट्स गो स्टार्ट
so it's our turn okay so we have crossed the immigration and can you imagine how much time it took us for the immigration 1 minute just 1 minute she just checked our permits our passports our status documents and she asked one question where did you stay what was the purpose and how much purchase you made from US so हमारे पास already receipts सब कुछ था we showed her the receipts and हमारा purchase was not exceeding 200 per person so we were good and now we are in Canada so I feel so good back to Canada I don't know why it's this homely feeling I got and I'm happy now it's so stressful being at the border oh god I was so stressed for no reason so let's go back to Canada I don't know we'll be staying we'll make a stop here at the Niagara Falls Canada side and then we'll head straight to home I'm so tired I just want to be home now just look at the weather हमें ऐसा लगता था कि US में ही ऐसा बुरा हाल है but Canada में तो इससे ज़्यादा बुरा हाल है oh my god the weather is completely it's pure gloomy weather and कुछ दिख भी नहीं रहा है ऐसे ना although it's like not that much dark right now but
raining plus mist
so guys we are back home I don't know why there's a little additional energy you get when you're home I don't know I'm so much relaxed I'm so much even though मैं बहुत ज़्यादा tired हूँ through the trip although I didn't drive Imran like you know all the way from Canada to US US to Canada as you have seen in my previous vlogs but there is a tiredness in the travel which is there but when you come home मुझे ऐसा लगता है जब आप वो दरवाज़ा खोलते हो अपने घर का it feels so much better you get relaxation एक वो अंदर से ही आ जाती है I don't know maybe it's with me or it's with everyone जो excitement होती है trip starting में I have the same excitement coming home I think double than that I don't know whatever I'm talking anyway it was a good trip we had a first experience in the US we crossed the border for the very first time so it was very adventurous and it was very fun we shopped a lot in US so it was a good birthday alhamdulillah for everyone for my parents for Allah for giving us a chance to visit US and to celebrate the birthday and I know sometimes it's little like you know I don't know sometimes these little things I have already told the lecture I don't want to repeat that thing anyway now okay I'll tell you it will leave that question mark there okay so I think कभी भी लाइफ में you know you don't need that big occasions to celebrate छोटी छोटी खुशियाँ भी you should celebrate in your life this is what I think there might be people who have a different opinion but I think you should celebrate every single thing in your life to make it better and I don't know it gives you an inner energy for the next steps of your life so if we are like you know stuck somewhere we get a new thing to you know explore the things and we get so many ideas how to begin with our new steps in life so you need a bit vacation from your hustle bustle life so if you are stuck go for a vacation and you'll see the difference vacation is not mandatory that you have to be out of your country or city just go out of your zone जो भी आपका comfort zone है come out of that you will feel better and thank me later anyway if you do like this video please subscribe to the channel like the video and comment down below what's the best thing you liked about it see you in the next one bye
Alright.